Hello, I'm going to show how to go outside the Highrise on the shooter game. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. Go to World Settings, reset Kill Z to default. Highlight every player start. Right click, edit, and delete. Highlight the SM_FPS_Vista_GP_03_5 object. Right click, snap V to object. And change the camera speed. Press Ctrl B. Right click, select edit. Go down to collision. Change project default to use complex collision as simple. Save. I'm dragging the player start.